friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2015 Chevy Equinox. We're going to be replacing the mirror. We're going to put in a quality 1A Auto part. If you need this part or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, to get started, we're going to need some basic stuff. We need safety glasses because we're going to be messing with glass, right? We're going to need some hand protection. Once again, messing with glass. A little bit of tape. That's going to be precautionary. I'll show you why. Some pliers. You might need these. Small screwdriver. Maybe even one of these. I'll put all that aside for now. I'm going to show you what the tape's for. This is just basically, I'm going to put a little X. And that's just in case the glass pops. It won't shatter and, you know, I don't know, do something crazy that glass likes to do when it breaks. Cool? Now I'm just going to take it, just like that. I'm going to grab onto it. I'm just going to give it a little yank. There it is. Easy peasy. We didn't break anything. But just in case, we are wearing our safety glasses, right? You can use something like pliers if you want. Just try to get these two wires off. These are for the defrost, okay? Your window motor's right here, or not window motor, mirror motor. That sounds weird, but whatever. Anyway, so I'm just gonna try to get these off. I'm gonna give them a little twist, a little pull. See if I can get it. They like to stay on there pretty good. I mean, that's what they're for, right? They're supposed to stay on, doing their job. I'm gonna try to use my little pocket screwdriver. One, two. There we are. Wow! After you go. All right, so we got it off. There's our wires. We've got our old and our brand new quality 1A Auto part here. So as you can tell, they're the same shape. That's very cool. Got the same backing, right? These right here. Got our little tab. You can get two little extra whatevers. I don't really know what they're for, but I'm not going to worry about it. I assume it's probably just part of the defrosting. Okay? So yeah, that's basically what it looks like. Let's go ahead and install it. I'm going to take my two little wires, take a look at them. They don't look very corroded. If they look like they were rusted or super corroded, I would probably just try to clean them out the best I can. Maybe a small file or a brush of some sort. They don't look bad at all, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to connect them in. Okay? There's no real order to which way they go. Just get it in there. That one on there. Make sure they click in. Give them a little tug so they don't fall off, right? I'm just going to get it lined up. I'm just going to try to push it on. Should hear it click in. Very nice. Cool. All right, now I'm going to put the key in the ignition and I'm going to try to turn the mirror, make sure everything functions the way it should. I'll clean it up real nice and this customer will. All right, here we go. Does its job. Perfect. We'll just clean it up real pretty and off it goes.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.